Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do my kind of updated favorite foundation. I know I have filmed this before, like my top 5 foundation, but now I am going to talk about few of my updated products. Few are like my old favorites, few are like my new favorites. So I'm going to talk about every single foundation today, and this is going to be my top 5 foundation. Yeah, why I like them, what is about the formula and everything. So let's get into this video. The first foundation that I'm going to talk about is my K Beauty Hydrating Foundation, 1200 rupees. And when I was first purchasing this foundation, I was like, okay, should I just invest in a 1200 rupees foundation, because it is expensive, okay? But the quantity and everything, after using this particular product, I am in love. Like truly, I love this particular product. It is like a medium, I will not say it's a full coverage foundation, it's like a medium coverage foundation. You can build it up obviously, but it also will give you a lightweight finish as well, which I personally love, because I am not at all a full coverage foundation girl. But that's the reason I personally love this product. It just gives me that Fenty Beauty foundation vibe, and the packaging and everything is so aesthetic, so beautiful. And yeah, and the shade range is so good. You have so many different shade, for especially for Indian skin type and Indian skin tone, and you can just choose from that shade. My shade is 145N, which is like my perfect shade. It is a little bit yellow for my skin, but this is like one of my favorite foundation ever. I'm going to swatch it for you all and show it to you how it actually looks. So this is what the swatch looks like. It's a very beautiful, hydrating, glowing looking foundation, which gives you that glowing, healthy skin kind of a vibe. When my students ask me to like prefer a good foundation for every day or maybe for your wedding, I always go for this one foundation. You all know, like you all can guess, okay? My Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. I posted one reel on my Instagram, and that was like my first impression trying out this product. I was blown away. Oh my god, this foundation is just like your tinted, like version of your tinted BB cream or maybe your tinted moisturizer. So lightweight. It actually, like the name only says the healthy foundation, it actually makes your skin look very healthy. If you're looking for a good everyday, very natural coverage kind of a foundation, go for this one. This is a beautiful, like, I don't know, Physicians Formula, like, thank you for this foundation. Really, I love it. It also contains SPF 20, which is obviously not great. You have to wear your SPF even if you're using this foundation, but it's like kind of like an add-on to your SPF as well. This is what the packaging looks like. So beautiful, very high-end kind of a foundation. It looks very good, and my shade is MW2. The only thing I don't really like about this foundation is the shade range. They don't have that much shade range, and I don't know why. Physicians Formula is such a beautiful brand and no one really talks about their product, but I really personally love their products. So maybe that's the reason why Physicians Formula is not coming up with other products like in this Indian market. But I think we should actually give them some opportunity and let them just bring products which we will love. And Physicians Formula is well known for their formula, for their products. This is the applicator, which is like a really good part, and this is what the foundation looks like. I am quickly going to blend it well and show it to you how it, like, see. This is so lightweight. It's a beautiful, healthy looking skin, and like, I don't know, this is so beautiful, so natural. This one is the Sugar Drop the Base Foundation. I have used this product so many times and I really love it, just because of the fact that it is so dewy, so glowy. It's just like a, like the name says, it's a serum based foundation, so it is very hydrating as well. And you can already say that I am a hydrating foundation person, but don't worry, I have one matte foundation as well if you are a matte foundation person. So this one is this Sugar Drop the Base Foundation in the shade 42. The only thing is this shade is way too yellow for my skin, but I still somehow managed to use it with my concealer and bronzer, and I try to manage the intensity of the foundation. But rather than that, this is the product, and the only thing I really don't like about this product is the packaging. This is a drop foundation, I can understand, but the dropper actually don't work. Maybe it's just my packaging. This is a beautiful foundation. I am just going to swatch it for you and show it to you how it actually looks. Like, see, this is way too yellow for my skin, but this is such a lightweight foundation. But if you have extremely oily skin, I will not recommend you to use this, but for dry skin people, you are gonna love this particular product. It's so pretty. Next foundation is this one. Wow, like this is a classic old foundation, Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Desert Beige. I don't know why, but there is something with me and between me and this foundation, just because of the fact that I can't get over this, and I truly love the product. This is a classic product. If you have used Wet n Wild foundation, you know how formula works and everything. A beautiful foundation with a beautiful coverage. I have a lot of foundation, but I still always go back to this particular product. It range to choose from, and yeah, it is very affordable as well. So if you are looking for a good affordable foundation, I think you can definitely go for this particular one. So the applicator is also very good. I don't know why, but I have nothing to complain about this particular foundation, and this is what the foundation looks like. And the last foundation that I'm going to talk about is this one. This one is the Rimmel London Lasting Matte Foundation. You guys, as I already mentioned, I am a hydrating foundation girl. I never reach for matte foundations, but oh my god, this will always be my favorite. This is the Rimmel London Lasting Matte Finish Foundation. This foundation is matte and it contains a very beautiful, like a medium to full coverage finish. And this is so lightweight. The only thing I don't like about this is the scent. I hope like the scent was a little bit low. The intensity should be a little bit low than this, but it actually smells like fragrance. Our product is so lightweight. The shade is actually 400 Natural Beige. It is a really perfect shade for my skin. The finish is matte, it's lightweight, it is so flawless, a best foundation ever. I have tried out few Rimmel London products like the other foundation, but this is my absolute favorite. I love this particular product. The packaging and everything is so good. I also like, I think I filmed one full face first impression and review with this particular product. You can definitely go and try out the concealer as well from this range, the matte concealer. When it comes to a full coverage foundation or a matte finish foundation, I always feel like okay, it is going to feel like cakey. It is going to make me feel like my foundation is building up on my nose area and something like that. But with this foundation, which actually happens, but with this foundation, I have never seen something like that. This is a really good product. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed and find this video helpful. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure to check that out, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.